Built in 2024, this 4-bed, 4-bath in Dr. Phillips is a must-see. And where's your first floor primary suite? Hidden behind this wall. It's lightning tour time. Long day in your office? Just go across the hall and grab a bottle from your wine wall. The best of open concept living with your pool right there. Modern kitchen with built-in appliances and gas range. The dream backyard with pool, jacuzzi, fire pit, and summer kitchen. First floor primary suite, oasis with your pool right out the window. A first floor ensuite. An easy first floor 1-bed, 1-bath setup. This dream second floor, 1-bed, 1-bath, and a huge entertaining area for that extra privacy.
My Guy Bri.